Now y'all know it's been a minute since I did some crochet in my head, but this right here, oh yes ma'am. I'm scrolling on Amazon and I just so happened to come across this hair. I mean, y'all see this hair? And for only $30, and the fact that it's on Prime and it can come to your house the next day, and it's not even a sponsored post. I definitely had to add this hair to cart because I did a similar style to this years ago on my channel, probably like 2018. And when I seen the wave, if you know, then you know, Kima Ocean Wave. So when I saw this, I'm like, oh wait, I actually want to try that. Especially being the fact that I didn't have to get up and go to the hair store. I think that's what really did it for me because I needed some hair. But when I tell y'all, gorgeous, like it is soft. It's not like regular synthetic hair. And what I love so much about it is that it's so easy to take apart. And even when you take it apart, as you can see, I separated the hair and there's no frizz. Like, let me get up close. You see what I mean? Like, even though the hair is separated completely at the top, the frizz is very minimum, and we love that because that's gonna indicate that it's gonna last me a good time. I mean, we love a good crochet. Y'all know I'm part of Struggle Braiding University. I've been saying that for years. I'm getting better though. Y'all gonna see my braids in the next clip. I did decide to go ahead and put, I think I have about 10 braids in my head, 5 on the left, 5 on the right. And I was able to install this hair in about an hour, a little over an hour. I had to take a snack break, but this hair was so easy to install. Something like this for $30, you cannot beat that. And the fact that it's on Amazon Prime, we know we love a good, quick, fast delivery. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I install this hair. So let's get into the tutorial. So this is the hair that we are working with right here. I love the bounce on this. What I love so much about this hair too is that it is already separated for you. So you'll see after this next clip, I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. And I'm also going to show you how I did install the hair with these individual pieces in the back, and then in the front, in the middle, I went ahead and I split it just like this. That just made the process go by faster to me. These are my struggle braids, part of Struggle Braiding University. Y'all, I'm getting better. Like I told y'all in the beginning of the video, but this is gonna do for now. And I went ahead and showed you what 2 packs look like. This is 2 packs in the back. I did use 5 or 6 packs in total. Oh, I can't remember, but I do have 3 packs left over. So I think they give you 8 packs. Right here, I'm just gonna show you exactly how I install this hair. Again, I'm putting them in whole in the back, and towards the middle in the front, I am separating them. You'll also see me do the invisible tie method in the front just to give it a seamless look and transition. it's just really just giving grown and sexy too. I love the length on that and the fact that I didn't have to cut much. I did go in and just trim it just a little bit. Y'all definitely gotta go get y'all hands on some of this hair, and they give you more than enough packs. I still have 3 packs left over, and to be honest with you, if your head is a little smaller than mine, or if you do decide to separate all of your hair, you probably don't even have to use 5 packs like I did. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna leave all of the information down in the description box below for you. It's gonna be linked on my Amazon storefront, so definitely make sure you check that out. Thank you so much for tuning to this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.